The last tooling application we have is our single shot air punch. Single shot air punch is complete with the punch itself and an array of nose piece adapters to punch out any fastener you just cut. Now the nose pieces come sized from 5 to 12, including first and second oversize. So if there's anything you're cutting with E-drill, say a 6 oversize, you can use a 6 oversize nose piece for that. To install it, we just thread it onto the tip. Plug in air, and you're ready to go. Now you'll notice at the tip of this, there's a small machined groove that's going to fit right down inside the fastener groove you just made on the top of that fastener using E-drill. So this is a perfect anti-skip punch. You put it inside the place, pull the trigger, and the fastener comes out.